There's something very natural about wanting to feed animals. It seems like it's part of creation, that the Creator has given us a desire to know and to be around animals, to touch them, to see them up close, and even if it's just the ones that we keep as pets. But as we have the chance to feed birds and look at them in bird cameras, these are really neat. But what this one does is it captures them in such a way that we can look at them in slow motion.
So just on my own, this is about the best I've ever gotten of a hummingbird. It's not even in focus here, but they're hard to spot, hard to catch, and I did catch this one with my phone camera.
So I'm going to show you how this sets up and show you some of the slow motion clips that it captures. So specifically of hummingbirds, but we'll see the other things that it got as well. So setting this up only took a few minutes out of the box, just a couple things put together. I did pre-charge the battery, so that was an important part. And I apologize for the noise, they're doing road construction near here, but the pre-charging of the battery, and then you hook up the solar panel, and once you've done that, the system is ready to go. So there was minimal setup involved in physically putting this together. What really took the longest was just waiting for the battery to get fully charged. So I did that inside, just plugging in its USB cable. And then outdoors, you have the solar panel, which keeps it topped off. So it's going to go down a little bit as it senses motion and videos, but then the solar panel keeps it topped off. What I really want to emphasize with this bird feeder is its ability to capture really clear, high quality video in such a way that you can watch it in slow motion. And so we're going to analyze a few of these on video for you and just show you what you can see in terms of animals, specifically birds and specifically hummingbirds coming to this. So what it gives you is a high quality camera here which comes on, detects motion and records the clips for you. And then you can download those from the app. It connects by Wi-Fi to your home internet. And of course, I have it right here. I was actually not close enough to my Wi-Fi and I had to move it a little bit closer to get good download with the app and onto my phone. But it all worked out okay. So you can fill it up with bird seed here. But really, if you're attracting hummingbirds, then the hummingbird feeder devices that can clip on out here are really where that's going to be. Also have some seed here for other birds, but they haven't really been very popular yet.
So what you can do in the app with these videos is slow them down. The app will actually do this. So this is the slow-mo in the app. And you can see just how you can get a clearer picture. But now I've taken that and slowed it down another, this is 1/5 of its slow-mo speed. So it's probably about 1/10 of its real speed. But you can actually see the bird's wings moving, and they're still a little bit blurry, but you're not going to get this with many cameras. Even a good cell phone camera would struggle to do this, and of course it'd be really hard to get that close to the bird.
So you see a few different things that I captured on video and got over the days, and it really wasn't bad to pick up extra video. Most of the things were actually animals, even butterflies that came in close onto the camera. And initially I didn't get a whole lot of activity, but I don't feed birds all the time. And so to put up a bird feeder was kind of a new thing for them. Of course, you could also put other bird seed in this. You put it in by the top and it comes down into the feeding tray. And then you're going to get a whole slew of different birds coming to the bird feeder in addition to the hummingbird feed that is here. So this is a really unique video camera for birds, and I haven't seen anything else quite like it on the market. So if you're looking for these and interested in this one, I'm linking to it below in the video, and you can check that out and see what the price point is and if that's something that you're interested in. But really pretty neat, especially if you're into birds or feeding other animals. This is going to attract them and be able to capture some very nice up-close video of them.
Not that one.